Right, look at this for a second. Nice restaurant, isn't it? Good type, the photography is lovely, somebody clearly knows what they're doing. And it is completely dead. This is a Figma file, so that button there does nothing when I click it. The menu up top doesn't take you anywhere. None of it is real. It's a drawing of a website that a very talented friend of mine made and then had to just leave in a folder. So I'm going to take the drawing and turn it into the actual thing, right now, from the file she sent me. The friend is Lena, she's a designer, a really good one, and she made this for a little restaurant near her about a year ago. They loved it. And then it hit the bit that kills half the good design work in the world. Someone has to build it, which means a developer, which means a number the restaurant didn't want to hear. So the whole thing quietly died in a folder. I've watched this happen for years from the other side, at the agency where "we'll send it to our developer" was usually the last anyone heard of a project. So Lena sent me the file to see what I'd do with it. And really, I'm recording this one for her so that next time a design like this doesn't have to wait on me, or a developer, or anyone. She can just build it herself. Let me show you. The whole trick is just this. I grab the link to Lena's design, and in Figma you can copy the link to one specific frame, not just the whole file so it knows exactly which screen I mean, and I paste that into Chow. It reads the design straight from Figma, the layout, the colours, the actual words. I'll tell it plainly what I want. Build me this, as a real working site, match the design. And now it's not guessing at what a restaurant site should look like, it's reading hers. There's a version of this where you describe a design in a paragraph and hope. This is the opposite, the design is the instruction. Okay, yeah, look at that. That's Lena's page. Same hero, the dishes, the chef bit, the little leaf drawings in the background. It even kept her typos, look, R expects chef. That's straight off the design. It got the thing she actually drew, not a cousin of it. It looks right, but it's still a design pretending to be a page. It copied her typos straight off the file and nothing actually clicks. So I asked for a couple of things in plain English. Fix those typos and make the buttons and the newsletter actually do something. No database, nothing fancy, just make it behave like a real page. And now the typos are gone. Welcome is spelled right. The chef's an expert again. And watch the top. I click menu and it slides you down to the food instead of just sitting there. The newsletter's the nice one. I put in a rubbish email and it stops me, and a real one gets a little thank you. Still no server behind any of it, it's all happening right here in the page, which for a restaurant landing is exactly as much as it needs. Here's the thing that gets me about all this. A design has always been a kind of promise. This is what your thing could be. If. If you find the money, if the developer's free, if it survives the handoff. And most of them don't, they just sit in a folder looking gorgeous and meaning nothing. Lena drew something real months ago. It just took until now for the drawing and the website to be nearly the same afternoon's work. So that's it. If you've got a design sitting somewhere, one you made or one you paid for and never got to use, that's the thing to try this on. Don't describe it, just hand over the file and see how close it comes. Links below. Go build something.